Welcome to our guide on how to become a successful home kitchen or retailer on DoorDash. Listen up because this information is your recipe for success. We're going to give it to you straight, no nonsense, just like in a professional kitchen. DoorDash can be a bloody brilliant platform to reach new customers and boost your sales. Follow these steps to meet DoorDash's requirements and effectively serve customers through their platform. This isn't a cooking show, but we're still serving up something special. A recipe for your business to thrive. Let's get started, shall we?
First things first, you need to make sure you're playing by the bloody rules. That means getting all your ducks in a row with local regulations. No one wants a visit from the health inspector shutting you down before you've even started. It's like serving raw chicken, a bloody disaster. Get your permits, licenses, and make sure you're zoned properly. This is step one, don't mess it up. Do your homework. Check with your local council and health department. Ignorance is no excuse in my kitchen, and it's certainly not an excuse here. Once you are cleared to operate, keep those standards high. Hygiene is paramount. Cleanliness is next to godliness, or at least it is in my book. Don't be a health hazard, be a success story.
Now, let's talk about your workspace. Whether you're cooking in a home kitchen or prepping in a retail space, it needs to be spotless. No excuses. This isn't some greasy spoon. It's a reflection of your brand. Would you eat off the floor? Didn't think so. Make sure you have all the equipment you need and that it's in tip-top condition. A blunt knife is about as useful as a chocolate teapot. And don't forget about storage. Proper food storage is crucial for safety and quality. Finally, decide what you're going to offer. What's your specialty? What's going to blow those customers' minds? Keep your menu concise but tempting. Quality over quantity, always.
Right, you've got your house in order. Now it's time to get yourself on DoorDash. Head to their website and find the registration page. It's usually pretty straightforward. Fill out the application with all the juicy details about your business. Be honest, be clear, and for God's sake, proofread it. You'll need to provide some documentation, things like your food handling certificate and business registration. Don't worry, it's all standard stuff. Finally, you'll need to agree to their terms and conditions. Read them carefully. Don't just tick the box and hope for the best. You need to understand what you're signing up for.
Now it's time to build your DoorDash profile. This is your chance to make a good first impression, so don't screw it up. Your business profile is your shop window to the world. Make it shine. Upload some mouth-watering photos of your food or products. And for crying out loud, make sure they're good quality. Blurry, dark photos are like serving burnt food. Unacceptable. Write clear, concise descriptions that make people drool. If you've got a POS system, now's the time to integrate it. This will make your life a whole lot easier when the orders start flooding in.
DoorDash offers training for their platform. Don't be a lazy sod, take advantage of it. They'll show you how to use the system, manage orders, and handle any issues that might crop up. They also have a wealth of resources available online. Read them, absorb them, live by them. Knowledge is power, especially in the cutthroat world of food delivery. Remember, you're not just representing your business, you're representing DoorDash as well. So don't be a bloody liability, be an asset.
Once you're all set up and trained, it's time to launch. Hit that go button and get ready for the orders to roll in. But don't just sit there waiting for the phone to ring. You need to get out there and promote your business. Social media is your best friend. Use it. Post tempting photos, offer discounts, engage with your followers, make them hungry. And don't forget about good old-fashioned local advertising. Flyers, posters, word of mouth, it all helps. DoorDash also has marketing tools you can use. Take advantage of them. They can help you reach an even wider audience.
The orders are coming in, the food's going out. Now you need to manage it all. The DoorDash Merchant app is your new best friend. Use it to track orders, manage delivery times, and stay on top of everything. And for God's sake, provide excellent customer service. Be polite, be efficient, and deal with any complaints quickly and professionally. A happy customer is a returning customer. Remember, this is your business, your reputation. Run it like a well-oiled machine. and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank.
There, you have it. You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to conquer the world of DoorDash. Remember, this isn't a walk in the park. It takes hard work, dedication, and a bloody good product. By following these steps, you can successfully become a home kitchen or home retailer on DoorDash and reach a wider audience for your products. But most importantly, never stop learning, never stop improving. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. And remember, this isn't MasterChef, so stop crying like babies and get cooking.